Good morning, everybody. Respected manager sir, respected principal madam, all my dear students, and all the respected teachers. This is a simple model only by paper folding origami. Already madam told about origami. Origami started in the year 600, and it is Japan and China, they are developed this system. Now in mathematics this is used to prove all theorems, deductions, and also 3D shapes. And in 2D space, to doing a 2D shape and tell about 3D, it is very difficult to understand. How many faces are there, how many edges are there, how to count the edges. So without physical thing, it is difficult for the students to understand that. So this is a model where we can show them. This is a dodecahedron, means having 12 faces, and also 20 edges, 32 vertex, and 12 faces, once again 12 faces, 32 edges, and 20 vertices. So this one we can easily do it by paper folding. Last time I have gone for one workshop, know this one, and due to that exams are going on, we are not able to show that. This one the best day to show. So let's just I am doing, already made one, and the parts are there, lot I am making it and showing you. A4 size paper means roughly available. Raw paper also you can use, not that color paper. For showing model we are showing color paper. We can also, without any money, wastage of money also, we can do this. So one color paper, A4 size paper, just fold.
First we have to fold the paper into two parts. The first fold you can see, so that A4 size paper becomes two similar rectangles. Again we have to fold in the opposite direction, so that the paper will become 4 equal rectangles. Then we have to unfold the paper. After unfolding, you can see 4 equal rectangles and the crease on the papers. Then we have to fold diagonally, means the corners of the papers should be touched to the center point of the paper. In this way we have to fold. The first corner will touch the center, then the opposite corner will again touch the center. In this way. So we have to fold the paper so that all the 4 corners will touch that one. Then we have to fold it like this shape you will get. Again, just to unfold, then we have to lock it inside. All of you can see this shape. Then okay, you can see this type of shape. Here one corner is there. This corner you have to fold it in such a way that this corner will touch this crease. Here also this corner will touch the crease. Now all of you can see this is a regular pentagon. All the sides are same. This is a regular pentagon. In this way, after making this one, we have to arrange such pentagons to make this shape.
To make 12 such paper folding, 12 papers, 12 faces, 12 papers. Then arrange 3 papers. This is one. So left side, left one in the left fold, left leg in left fold. If you enter this, this will form one shape. This one 1, 2, 3. Just I enter it. This one. Then after making this all 4 types, 4 like this, then we arrange this one. It is 3 already fixed. Then another one, if you put inside, now this model is ready. This another model we have made it. These all faces are regular pentagon. All faces. And having 12 faces and 32 edges and 20 vertices. Thank you.
In this way we can make so many 3D shapes. You can see this one and this one also, triangular pyramid, this one. So easily we can make it by using simple A4 size papers. So it will help the students to understand, to count the number of faces, edges and the corners very easily and quickly. Thank you.